Hey guys, on the 6th of October 2015, I made a choice that would later change my life forever. And that choice was to upload a new tutorial video every single week. That series later became Creative Tuesday. For almost 5 years straight, I never missed any upload. Every Tuesday there would be a new tutorial video, and later also we would see the Copycat Friday series appear. So that means 2 videos a week, never missing an upload. Until the last couple of months. There has been one day that I decided not to upload. 2020 was going to be the year that I would do more creative things. I had planned a trip to the Faroe Islands as well as to Iceland again, and I wanted to make more travel videos or just videos about nature. Well, that didn't happen, and again, this year was one of those years where I would just continue to make tutorial videos every single week. And I find this very hard to say, but I've come to a point where I just no longer like to make these tutorial videos. So that's why I've been kind of trying to take a break the last couple of months. I mean, I'm still here in the office. I'm still working here almost 7 days a week. But I've been trying my best to focus less on making videos. That's why you don't see me appear much in Copycats or even Creative Tuesdays that might not seem that interesting anymore. It's because I make these videos because I have to. And I think that's wrong. As a creative person, when you start to do creative stuff because you have to, then it starts to be not creative anymore. If you start to hate doing something, that is your passion. So to come back on that one Tuesday that I didn't upload, the first break in 5 years, I had a very tough day. I really felt bad. I just didn't want to make a video that day. So I didn't. And it actually gave me rest somehow. Now, I'm not the only one going through this. Janik and Lorenzo both are too. Both of them have been saying for a long time now that they wanted to learn Cinema 4D, but it never came to it because they always were limited because they had to make this very in-depth tutorial. So you guys have been seeing lately that Copycat kind of changed. And just looking at the past couple of weeks, they have grown tremendously, and that is because they were not limited by having to make a tutorial video where you needed to explain every step in detail. So it had to be basic, it had to be done with basic programs without additional plugins that cost money or extra software. They have just been experimenting and trying with every single tool there could be found to make a desired effect. So 2021 is going to be different. There's going to be Copycat, but in a different format. Creative Tuesday will be replaced by a new series where I will be working on video projects. So you guys will see me go through a creative process, like making a short film or maybe a mini commercial. I don't know yet. Just I'm gonna make stuff. And probably the thing that I'm looking forward to the most is Cine Battle. It's coming back, and me and Janik are going to battle again to see who is the best filmmaker. So I'm really looking forward to next year. And I just really hope that you guys appreciate that as well and follow our journey along into next year. If you do, however, still want to see detailed Premiere tutorials, we actually have a second channel which Jill is doing. Every Monday he is doing a live stream, and on Wednesday he is uploading a brand new tutorial video. So you can check that out by a link in the description down below. And oh yeah, before I forget, this Friday is going to be the last Copycat of the year. After that, we're just going to take 2 weeks rest. We all just kind of need that social media detox and just disconnect ourselves from the internet and just go for a walk one day and not think about making videos. I need that to jump with full power into 2021. Anyways, I hope that you guys can enjoy the holidays. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next year. Stay creative.